Welcome to Streeto Cooking! Introducing our host with the most, and we mean the most. He makes DK stand for Donut King, the one, the only, Tom Levine!
G'day everybody, welcome to the first installment of Streeto Cooking. I'm your host, Tom Big Les Levine.
What the fuck are you talking about?
And today, we're going to be cooking a nice, easy meal for you guys at home who are stuck in quarantine and lockdown and whatnot. Today, we're going to be cooking tuna Mornay. Now, this stuff got me through a lot of high school dinners, and it's great because it uses so little ingredients, and it's really easy to put together. Even a dickhead could do it. Moving on. Things you're going to need. You're going to need condensed cream of asparagus. I like Campbell's because they're the best. You're going to need some corn kernels, 420 grams. You're going to need some John West tuna. You don't need John West, but you know, John West is the best. You're going to need tuna chunks in spring water. Make sure you get spring water, not oil, unless you're weird. You're going to need an onion. You're going to need pasta of some sort. I like, we've got leftover shells, just some spirals. So mix them in together, make it a bit of a Frankenstein tuna Mornay. You're going to need some oil for both when you're cutting up the onion in the pan and when you're putting it in your Mornay. Also, salt and pepper. Also, can opener. Very important because cans are very hard to open without one. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to, take your lids off your. Okay, so you open it about 90% of the way, so you can actually let the tuna drain. Pretty much. Okay, so now that all that stuff's prepped, we can begin using the sharp stuff. So we can begin to cut this onion and try not to fucking cry. Master Chef business. I don't know if that's a thing. Let's just say that. Oh, and here come the tears. Holy Jesus. Oh my God, my eyes are burning. This is what I look like. What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh my God. Just like that, you have a cut onion. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. From there, you're just gonna need a small fry pan to get the onions browned. Okay, so while we got that cooking away, sizzling away, it's now time to put the water on for the pasta. Okay, so as you can see, the onions, it's almost starting to burn. So it goes till it's translucent, but as soon as it starts to burn, that's when you need to take it off. Okay, so it's all in play and we're ready to go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our cooked pasta that has been strained. I'm going to chuck it in our pan. Just like that. Get the onions. I'm going to chuck the onions in. And onions are like ogres. Not because they stink, but they have layers. From there, we will get our condensed cream of asparagus soup. We'll put that in. Holy fuck. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's nasty. It's like me after a Zinger Stacker box. From there, chuck our tuna in. And last but not least, some corn. Chuck that in, spread it around nice and even. I switched utensils to make it a little bit easier because I think I've made a bit too much, but that's okay because there'll be more later. Okay, so after you mix it all up, it's all ready to go. Make sure you flatten everything out so that way you can put the cheese on. I've already started a little bit. It's got a little bit more cheese to go. And from there, you go breadcrumbs. And just sprinkle it a little bit. So it makes it nice and crusty. Love it. And just like that, you're ready to go. 180 to 200 in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Now comes the hardest part, which is trying not to snack until dinner's cooked. It's going to be hard, but I think we can do it. And just like that, you've got yourself a tasty, delicious, hot tuna Mornay. Thanks for joining me on this episode. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah, hopefully I can cook some more stuff for you in the future because there's not much else happening right now. So, look, it's content, it's here, it's hot, delicious. Anyway, I'll let you go. See ya. Bye-bye now.
Streeto Cooking is brought to you in part by the New South Wales Police Force and their inability to catch you during COVID lockdown. Streeto is also brought to you by KFC, Carlton Dry, the American Education System, and Respectable Adult. For more awesome content, be sure to subscribe. Do it, you fucking punk! You think you're cool watching a video without being subscribed? Fuck off, freeloader! Disclaimer, Streeto Cooking is not actually sponsored by any of these companies. This bitch broke.